Crafted by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, known as GA-ASI, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian stands out as an advanced remotely piloted aircraft system, or RPAS. Representing a pioneering achievement as the first globally certified RPAS designed for non-segregated airspace operations. Leveraging satellite technology, it can achieve over 40 hours of continuous flight in diverse weather conditions. Boasting 9 hardpoints and a maximum external payload capacity of 4,750 pounds, it is specifically tailored for persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. However, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian's versatility doesn't stop there. It extends to its capability of transporting various payloads, including precision-guided munitions and guided glide weapons. At the Dubai Airshow 2023, GA-ASI and Edge, a UAE-based technology group, made a significant announcement revealing their collaboration to integrate advanced smart weapons from the UAE onto GA-ASI's MQ-9B SkyGuardian. This partnership marks a major milestone as it signifies the first instance of UAE-made smart weapons being integrated into a US unmanned platform. President David R. Alexander of GA-ASI expressed enthusiasm for the initiative, highlighting the excitement about collaborating with Edge on this groundbreaking project. While GA-ASI has integrated homegrown capabilities into their customer platforms previously, this collaboration represents the initial integration of a non-NATO weapon system onto one of their RPA platforms. This raises the question, what specific weapons will be integrated into the MQ-9B as part of the collaboration between GA-ASI and Edge Group? The incorporation of UAE-made smart weapons onto the MQ-9B includes the Desert Sting Guided Glide Weapons, or GGWs, and the Thunder Precision Guided Munitions, commonly known as PGMs, from Halcon, a subsidiary of the Edge Group. Halcon, a prominent manufacturer of precision-guided missile systems in the region, secured a $1 billion contract in November 2019 to supply its Desert Sting lightweight precision-guided missiles to the UAE Armed Forces. Additionally, the integration encompasses the Al-Tariq modular, all-weather, day and night long-range PGM. Notably, the Desert Sting GGWs offer effective and accurate ground strike solutions at a reasonable cost. Thunder PGMs are engineered for delivering precise and powerful strike capabilities, while Al-Tariq PGMs provide proven precision guidance in mission-critical scenarios. The addition of Edge smart weapons to the MQ-9B SkyGuardian is set to boost its capabilities in various ways. These weapons offer precise and adaptable ground strike solutions, making them a top choice for both military and civilian organizations. Not only are they cost-effective, but they also enhance the MQ-9B's ability to operate in any weather condition, day or night. Although the integration won't increase its range or payload capacity, it will broaden the range of missions it can undertake and the targets it can engage, ultimately making it more effective overall. More importantly, this accomplishment marks a significant advancement in defense cooperation, paving the way for future collaborations between the United Arab Emirates and the United States in the field of advanced military technology. What do you think about this partnership? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.